Hello everyone, welcome to the class. Today we will see how to set up the build setting. Now click the file and the build setting. You will see various platforms where we can build our game. Since my internet connection was slow, all the build platforms were not downloaded. But if you have successfully downloaded without internet fault, everything will be downloaded in your platform. But if you face such problem, then this tutorial is for you. Now let's try to download the Android platform. As we can see, the Android platform is not downloaded. Click the open download page. It will redirect to Unity 3D website and direct download will start. Once it's get downloaded, let's install. Now please follow the step for proper downloading the Android platform. Now if you face the problem, you need to close the Unity. Now it will start installing. It will take some time for download. Now open Unity, go to the build setting and now check the Android platform. You will see everything. If you click switch platform, you can switch the platform to Android. Thank you for listening. See you in the next class.